Come on, get out of my house, would you? Can you go down, please? Can you just get out the door? Come on, dude. This is ridiculous. Can you just get down, dude? Get out of the house. Get down. Dude, you're going the wrong way. You gotta drop, dude. Come on, get down. This is ridiculous. It's gonna poop in my house. All right, I'm gonna have to get the fish net. Are you gonna get out of here? Come on, dude. Get out of here. Get down. Come on. Get down. Look, there's a door. You went in the door. Get out of the door. Come on. It's ridiculous. Come on. Just drop. You're okay. No, don't land there. I know you want to land there, but you can't. Get out of here. Come on. You're going to hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. All right, take a break. Drop. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get down. All right. This thing's gonna hurt itself. This is crazy. Listen, you need to chill out before you have a heart attack. You're gonna die. And I just need you to leave so you don't die.